So this is going to be a complete review on Xound, and as you can see, this is the dashboard, and I have already uploaded a test audio to make the tutorial. And if you want to get Xound at any time during this video, make sure you click the first link in the description, in which you could be getting a lifetime access to Xound. So as you can see in AppSumo, you'll get a lifetime deal. And if you end up buying through my link, I'm going to be giving you my affiliate marketing guide. So this is the 5 proven steps to quit your 9 to 5 job with affiliate marketing. So this is the guide that has been made personally by me, and it shows you how you could be making over $100 per day. And I show you exactly how you could be doing that. So if you want to get this bonus guide, make sure you click the first link in the description. And also talking about Xound, it can enhance your audio content with AI-powered background noise removal and clear voice tech. So it's best for content creators, influencers, and podcasters. And it's an alternative to About Premium, Audacity, iMovie. And if you scroll all the way down here, you could be seeing the license tier. So what I like about the plans and features, like rest of the features are pretty much the same. You could see that. So just the second feature and third feature is a bit different. So you get lifetime access to all the plans. And here you will be getting 20 processing hours per month. Here it's unlimited, and here is also unlimited. But the AI voice cloning hours per month is pretty limited. So here only you get 5. Here you will get 20, and here you will get 50. So based on what you want, you could be going ahead with the license tiers. So now let's jump into the tutorial of Xound. As you can see, this is the dashboard. So here's the small audio that I have uploaded. So the first feature is the add sub-process region. So I'm going to click on that. So based on this, you could be editing where you want to get edited. So if I want the whole audio to be edited, you could be selecting the whole audio. Or maybe if you want just part of the audio edited, you could be doing that as well. So you could do this part of the audio or maybe this part of the video. So for the sake of the video, I'm going to keep it around here. So half of the video is going to be getting edited. And also guys, it's not just audio that you could be uploading. You could be also uploading a video content. And also the second feature that you're going to be getting is the noise removal. And you have to select the strength of how much you want to remove it. So you could be going with 10, 20, 30, 40, 50% up to 100%. But I am going to keep it for 70 because that was the preset. And also you have the voice clone feature, as I've mentioned in the license here. You get like 5 for the license tier 1. So 5 times you could be doing every single month. And in the voice clone, you have a lot of voice clones that you could be adding. Maybe I will go with Adam. And you could be also doing a small preview of the audio.
A tremendous business empire. And now I'm here to make Cyrodiil great again.
So as you can see, there's the voice clone that has been made. Maybe let's try something else. Maybe Lisa.
The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog.
So that was also good. Maybe Mark.
We going up tonight. My baby loves me, and she's always on the way. And I just can't wait to see her face. My baby loves me, and she's always on the way. Now I can't stop thinking about her every day.
That was pretty long. So we'll go with Mark. And also you have got all of these advanced features. So here you could be selecting the Loves target. So if it's for Spotify, you could be going for Spotify, YouTube, or Tidal. And there's Apple Music and iTunes. So I'm going to go with the YouTube section because that's what I'm looking. And also you could do the loudness. So your voice is going to be a bit louder. So that's something you could be adding. So that's the features that you're going to be getting. And after you select all of that, you can process it. And I'm going to be showing you how the audio is going to sound like. So the audio has been made. So let's have a look at what the audio sounds like. So from half, it's going to be different.
So this is going to be a complete and honest review of Domain Ninja. I'm going to
be talking about the different O2s and upgrade, and also I'm going to be talking.
So as you can see, my voice have been significantly improved. Like it now really looks good. So let's hear it.
So
once
this is
more.
going to be a complete and honest review of Domain Ninja. I'm going to be
talking about the different O2s and upgrade, and also I'm going to be talking.
So as you can see from the second half of the video, my sound looks like way better. You could be doing this in an audio file as well as a video file as well. So then you could be saving to your disk. So I had the free version. I showed you guys how it works in the free version. But if you want to get it for a lifetime deal, you could be going with that. You don't have to pay monthly subscription. And also you could get a 60-day money back guarantee, in which you'll get my free affiliate marketing bonus guide as well. So that's it. And I hope to see you on another review video. Take care.